Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and joined today by Lady Teresa Hughes. We're going to be doing our first of a series of videos on Double Jive, which is basically one man dancing with two ladies, or occasionally two guys dancing with one lady. We're going to be obviously doing a guy with two ladies for most of the videos we're doing. And we're starting off today with a little introduction and the first move, which is an arm jive. Now, obviously it's going to be a little bit different to the arm jive done with one guy and one lady, and the prerequisite for doing today's class would be already being able to dance with one partner. So first off, we're going to show you the move, and then we're going to talk about a little piece of technique we need. So an arm jive looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now, one of the pieces of technique that is fairly normal for single jive is that if you spin your partner as a guy and she doesn't end up doing what she's meant to do, which is being on the spot, so if you want to travel that way, say, if during the turn Karen moved away from me, it would be my job in singles to keep up with her so I'm in the place she needs me to be when she finishes her move. Now in doubles, for obvious reasons, we can't do that, because the simple thing is if the ladies were to both travel and go away from the positions they were meant to be, it's not possible for the fella to chase both ladies, which means it becomes the ladies' job to keep an eye on their positioning and come back to their partner as they should be. So guys, you don't have to run after the ladies, you have to keep an eye and come back to position if you do wander. Okay, so now we know that, let's break it down. What we're going to do, fellas, we're going to offer a hand to each ladies. Ladies are going to take hold with their right, so it looks to the ladies as if one's in a right to right grip and one's in a left to right grip, which is completely true. And we're just going to do semicircles and back as we would normally. Send both ladies away. Guys step back at the same time, so that's 1. We're going to take a step to the right, take the hands to the right. Ladies are going to go over in the same direction. Doesn't matter which leg, you can do it either way. And we go back the other way. And you can do that as many times as you like. Over and back and over and back, but when you're ready to finish, you're going to go over to the right and you're going to use that as a preparation for a turn. Just take the hands up to the left, send the ladies around in a turn direction, lower and back, and then a return direction the other way, lower and back. The basic version will come to the other side and talk numbers. Goes like this. It goes back 1, to the right 2, to the left 3, to the right 4, turning 5, facing 6, returning 7, and back 8. So back to where we were. Let's do it all together. Here we go. 5, 6, an arm jive. We go a back to the right, the left, the right, turn the ladies, and look, return the ladies, and back. And that's it for the first of our double jive clips. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you find it useful. Go out there and have some fun. All the stuff we're going to do double jive wise is going to be lead and follow, so it's not going to be choreographed, which means you literally could go out with any two ladies who follow and any guy who's learned these moves and be able to do it, whether you've done it before with those partners or not. Okay, so like, subscribe, hit the bell, notification bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. We'll put a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.